So now let's proceed to the lesson 11, useful expressions about some of the part of the house. So here in this lesson, we learn some of the parts of the house and how we speak on it through Cebuano dialect. So here are some of the parts of the house. In Cebuano, if we say banyo in English, that is bathroom. Banyo, bathroom. In Cebuano, if we say kisame in English, that is ceiling. Kisame, ceiling. Kan-anan. So in Cebuano, if we say kan-anan in English, that is dining room. So kan-anan, dining room. Pultahan, doorway. So if we say pultahan, that is doorway. Silong, downstairs. So if we say silong in English, that is downstairs. Salog, floor. So in Cebuano, if we say salog in English, that is floor. Garahe, garage. Garahe, garage. Kusina. So in Cebuano, if we say kusina in English, that is kitchen. So kusina, kitchen. Suga. So that is light. If we say suga in English, that is light. Sala. In English, that is living room. So in Cebuano, if we say sala in English, that is living room. Poste. So in English, that is post. Poste, post. Balcon, porch. So in Cebuano, if we say balcon, in English, that is porch. Atop. So if we say atop in Cebuano, in English, that is roof. Atop, roof. Cuarto. In English, that is room. So cuarto. In English, that is room. Hugasanan. In Cebuano, if we say hugasanan, in English, that is sink. Hugasanan, sink. Hagdanan. In English, that is stairs. Hagdanan. In English, that is stairs. Casillas, toilet. So if we say casillas, that is toilet. Bungbong. So if we say bungbong, in English, that is wall. Bungbong, wall. Bintana. So in Cebuano, if we say bintana, in English, that is window. Bintana, window. Pamasamo. So if we say pamasamo in Cebuano, in English, that is window ledge. So window ledge. Don't you know that Pulumulok City is a suburban city, the richest municipality of Mindanao and also home of Dole, Philippines. So pineapple, capital of the Philippines and soon to be city.